Alright, well guys, here we are again, and just missed a really awesome flight with some good acrobatics. I forgot to turn the camera on. Give this a shot again here. I'll keep it back over this way, I think. Yeah, beautiful night, beautiful evening for flying. I better get it in though before it gets too dark on me. Let's bring it over here. I'm still having to put a little more Okay, we're just going to coast around in. Yeah, good safe landing. Too many cars over there and too many people walking around now. They're getting interested. So I think we'll wrap it up. Had a good flight, some good tricks. It was a great little plane, boy. Still had to trim it out a bit. It's just a flight at a time. You take it out, you fly it, you get it trimmed the way you like it, and then you go home and you try to make the manual adjustments to be the same, and then reset the trims on your radio, and that usually does the trick, but it takes a couple tries usually. See, what do we got on our voltage? 382, 763 altogether. I could still sneak in one more flight, I think, huh? Let's just bring it in and around here. How's that? Yeah, I think so. This thing sure floats nice, I'll tell you that. That's a little bit better. And the wind's picking up. So let's get this bad boy back in here before we get in trouble with the wind again. Oh, and looking good. Yeah. let's see, we got 376, 378. All right, one more time. We'll take off. We'll go with the wind again like we're not supposed to. See, there's a reason for that. You can tip stall it. You can get in all kinds of trouble doing that shit. We got just enough for one more flight and one more landing here. Just a quick couple of, hey, a bird. Hey, see that porpoise? Okay, enough trick flying for now. Let's just bring her on in. Did I catch it again? Oh, we caught a car. It was either that or the tree. Yeah, don't drive. Right under.
I'm like, did that just hit my car?
Yeah, actually, it went under it. Sorry about that. It was either that or I was going to land in the tree.
As long as you didn't hit the side and make
No, not a mark except for my elbow just now. But yeah, no, right, scooped right underneath it there. Didn't even hurt the plane. Cool. Sorry about that. That's why we don't fly when it's too damn crowded. Oh yeah, it just right under. Just an easy scoop. Yeah. Yeah. What's up, buddy? Oh, you guys got your, it was a Revo.
Yeah.
Cool. Those are hot. They're fast.
See, there's no cars.
Is that all wheel or just two?
Cool.
Oh. Oh yeah, that moves out, doesn't it? Did you see that landing underneath the car?
Yeah.
That was actually pretty good. It was either that or land catch the tree with the branch and crash it.
Yeah,
Or
sure under the car would be a lot better.
it's cool that I had the opportunity. Yeah, my reflexes are getting better, even though I kind of screwed up. But yeah, I didn't hurt the. Doesn't look like I hurt the plane at all. Man, wings are still straight. Everything.
My son-in-law, he flies those.
Oh yeah?
He just bought this monster one, real big one. He goes out there in Schaumburg and flies them all at that place out there a lot.
Yeah, there's a number of different spots. I just found a good, nice private place where, you know, because I've got some bigger stuff too. I've got one it's got a 6.5 foot wingspan on it.
Yeah, that's about what I think he just bought.
It's taller than, wings are taller than I am.
Yeah. Today was his birthday. I just got done wishing him a happy birthday. I hung up and I seen him flying it, so I just had a picture of him.
Oh, cool. I'm Skip.
I'm Bob.
Bob, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Those are cool.
Yeah, I just picked this hobby up, believe it or not. Like, I started flying the multi-rotors in November. A buddy of mine had one, and so I bought one and flew it, crashed it a lot, but I've been getting better and better since November, and I just started flying planes about a month ago.
Huh.
And I feel like I'm coming along pretty fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I'm doing loops and rolls, and
Yeah.
You guys thought I was better than I am, and I just started this a month ago. I mean, planes.
Yeah.
Flying planes.
It's like you started it like 6 months ago.
Yeah, I don't know. It comes easy for me, I guess. I just kind of like it.
Yeah,
You know?
he loves it. He goes out all the time.
It's a weird thing. You get the feel of it too,
Yeah.
a little bit, you know, and you know what, kind of start to know what you're doing, and I'm starting to learn to go with the plane. Instead of making it do so much what I want it to do, I give it the idea, but if I start making a wrong move or something and it's getting a bad attitude, I just kind of relax the controls a little bit. Let's see what the plane's going to do, and I roll with it, you know. And that's kept me out of some trouble now. In fact, it's taught me a lot. I'm learning how to do, you know, split S's and some high alpha maneuvers with a little thing that's not supposed to be doing this stuff. So I can't wait to get the bigger stuff out. I've got a 70 millimeter EDF jet glider. It's supposed to go 100 miles an hour. I don't know if I want to fly it that fast, but it's kind of cool. The thing sounds like a jet. I mean, it sounds like like it's a gas jet. It's incredible. I haven't flown it yet. I plan on it. It's all ready to go, except for I'm waiting for a receiver stabilizer for it. I want every bit of help I can get.
Now, what's the thing on your head? Is that anything to do with the plane?
Yeah, I've just got, this is a transmitter and camera DVR.
Okay.
Usually I put them on my drones or on a plane, but in this case I was thinking the other day, you know, these guys that are doing the videos, this is how they're doing it, you know, so rather than spend the money and buy another camera, I'm thinking I already got 2 of these things. I'll strap one to the top of a baseball cap and call it good. And it works really well. And if I've got a, well, like, here, I'll show you.
The fun thing is I've only flown my D-Bop here 2 times.
Oh, wow. See?
That's awesome.
So it transmits, and it's got a good range. I mean, I can clear the field and then some on this thing. So it's great for looking it up in the air.
Yeah, definitely.
I happen to bring this because I brought the drone. Alex, did you see my drone?
No, I have not.
Oh, here's my drone. Here's the one I built.
Whoa! Is that a racing?
Huh?
Kind of looks like a racing.
It's a racing hex. It's a spider hex.